I am an infidel, a non-believer, paying lip service to entropy. But what about you? What is waiting for you in the darkness? In these conditions, the air looks as thick as water. The waking bush birds cut into the default modes. A quack, a splash congealing the weft of quietness, soaking through the soft membrane of these poems. The action usually takes place on the far side. We can swim but are not webbed. Our embryonic necks show signs of fishy gill slits and gill arches, modified to lower jaw, middle ear, and voice box. I should accompany the residue of birdsong with no one else around, since they are dinosaurs. Fish can't sing, can they? The day glides in, a new affair. Hollywood beckons, mist rises, the sun joins in, witness to events overwhelming someone, somewhere on this day, in our 4.5 billion year story, plus or minus 50 million years. Sunday, June 27, 2021. The foliage is sponging up its food, a web spiraling nutrients, gases, materials, reverberating thoughts. Trees communicate, but without any need for these things. Words continually recycled in the turbulence.